toss an egg all over your body and watch what happens. The egg is a living cell that absorbs energy, and we will use it to remove all negativity, bad luck, and all the bad things in our life. For this ritual, we will need an egg, which is as fresh as possible. First we take the egg and say, "May the passage of this egg through my body cleanse my physical, astral and mental body. May my aura cover health. May my spirit be free from dirt. May the interior of this egg collect all evil." We will pass through the body, slowly, that the egg is always in contact with the skin and without forgetting any part of the body. Once the process is finished, you break the egg and throw it in a glass with a little water. The shell is not made into the glass. Wait a moment until you see what shape it is taking. And now we must interpret what happens. 1. If there are many bubbles around the bud, it means that there is a lot of negative energy. You may be very tired, without the strength to do things. There are even those who show headaches, body aches or dizziness. 2. Peaks come up in the form of nails or needles. It means that there are envious people around you, who put obstacles in the way and do not want you to go ahead. 3. If a kind of mantle covers the yolk, this happens when you feel that someone is constantly bothering you and provoking you, since the egg pulls out how bad they are doing to you. 4. When someone has an evil eye, the egg becomes cloudy, with the yolk gray and sometimes black. You see in the clear many peaks and many bubbles. 5. Peaks down indicate that you must control yourself. You have a lot of resentment that you have not taken out. 6. Screwed figures are physical discomforts that we have been ignoring. Sometimes we have a pain or discomfort and we ignore. They are warning you that you should do a checkup. The normal thing is that the egg does not show great alterations. However, the cleaning of the egg will improve your situation whatever. When the ritual is finished, we must throw the egg with the water direct to the toilet, since it will have absorbed all the bad. Egg cleaning is very effective and recommended.